All right, so it's pretty clapped out, not gonna lie. Gonna look at it from the back here. Yeah, I don't see any flying demons around here. Looks like somebody stole the turbo logo. We got ourselves a 80s fin. This is a factory turbo, which is very cool. Ouch. I got a thorn in my rear end right now. And, yeah, a little briar right here on me. We got some sneakers here, you know, if you kind of like sneakers. And we got ourselves a tape player. Look at that. What? And we got ourselves a pretty decent dash, boost gauge. Looks like it's missing an ECU. What else? There's glove box.
There's a fan.
There's the fan right there. That's worth some money. And holy macaroni. This thing is really rough. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to pop the hood and I can't because this thing is bad. Holy cow. Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna get underneath it. And I don't know if I can get back up. Hold on. All right. Holy cow, this thing is on the ground. This thing is in the ground.
There's 2 front tires in there.
Okay, I can't see nothing. Okay. I can't see. Okay. All right, we got ourselves a kind of good logo. Broken front end. I got briars all over me.
Welcome to the East.
Wow. Would you look at this? Just take it all in. I can't get the hood open. Oh, there's a flying devil right there. He's saying, not in my house. Okay. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get this thing open, but I gotta. We got ourselves a Summit Racing sticker up here. And more. There's one back there too. So, yeah. Rims look kind of nice, I ain't gonna lie. Looks like that's gonna have a little bit of problem holding air. I think that's the run flat version right there. It's always flat. And I've got briars in my, oh my gosh, all over my arms. I got most of them off, but all right. Back to how to get this dang hood open. All right, I'm gonna try to open this hood. We'll come back here in a minute. It should have a turbo in it, and I want to see what kind of trans it's got, but missing 3 center caps. They might be inside. Oh, we got ourselves some buffing pads here. We got ourselves something metal there. It looks like maybe a drive shaft piece. Yeah, she's rough. Look, another Summit sticker. I think there might have been. Yep. We got ourselves a windshield wiper, formerly known as a windshield wiper. All right, I am getting back in these briars again.
Holy,
yeah. If you don't believe me, you should, because it's there. I mean, they're going home with me. I think I'm gonna dream about them tonight too. But all right, well, I'm gonna try to pull this hood open again. Look out for the flying devils. This thing is on the ground. I mean, on the ground. Oh look, we got ourselves a broken switch. Comes broken. That's good. Oh look, we got ourselves some bezels on the door cards. Door cards are shot. All right, Hang on a minute. Okay. I'm gonna pick briars off me for the next couple hours, but we got ourselves some Thames.
There's a shifter for you.
I know there's an OG shift knob. But yeah, all right. Well, I'm gonna let them know here shortly. We got ourselves a broken door catch there. Ain't no big deal. There's definitely some value here in these parts, but not much. So really wish I could get the engine open, but I can't. So
The emblem alone.
all right. Well, the emblem's pretty roached out. I ain't gonna lie. Can you? I'm gonna have to pick over. You know, this actually isn't rusted out like they normally are. That's kind of amazing. Dash is really good shape. Needs a little armor all. And I don't know what else to say. Oh, look at all those little devils right there looking at me with their red eyes.
Holy crap. Oh.
There's a big house. There's a big house there. Oh, how are the markers? Well, that one's broken. Uh-huh.
Fog lights are good.
Fog lights might be good. Maybe. Ish. I mean,
That one's good.
yeah. So, I can't confirm what this thing has in it, but it's got a motor. So, that's it for now.